Hello, I want to show you a case study of uh, someone who is learning to be a sleazy salesman on Facebook. So it's Linda Karlsson. She is quite unexperimented, but you can see how it happens. The first contact. You see, you don't know this person, and on Facebook you receive just a hello, hi, that's it. And in life or with experience on Facebook, people when they want to contact you, if they are innocent and not dumb, they say hello, my name is blah, or I follow you, I saw some of your stuff online and I contact you because I want to do that, ask you this, offer you this, something, they want to speak to you, they write their message in the first post, not just hello. The hello, so some of people who contact and say just hello is because they are dumb. They have no ulterior motive. They are just dumb, so they think it's normal to say hello and wait for an answer on Facebook Messenger. So those people exist. But the other ones is the one I've talked about already in videos. It comes from India, so it's Indian spammers, and they are teaching how they do for spam because they got results, of course. So the Americans and her, Linda, she's from Sweden, they have been learning from those Indians who are professional at this process of selling. And of course, it works best when, in my case, when I'm contacted, it works best for traffic, solo ad traffic, when you offer this. Why? Because traffic is like a petrol, the fuel, the gas for it runs all online business. All online businesses need traffic. So when you promote, when you offer traffic, you can reach a lot of people who have any online business. Even affiliate marketing who don't have their own product, they are still looking for traffic, cheap, quality traffic sources, at least to build their own mailing list. So it starts with a hello, and if the person respond to this hello, whatever she respond, then you can start. Otherwise, you don't try again, or maybe in 3 weeks. So you have to know that there are softwares now, of course, that can do this. It's like a CRM, customer, I mean, customer relationship management, but it's not customer, it's a lead relationship management. So you can know that those people you have sent your hello, they didn't reply back. So in 3 weeks, you try again. And if 3 weeks after they didn't reply, they are removed. But once you reply something, anything, then you can send this message. Hey, thanks for the connection. I look forward to following you. How are you doing today? This message, it's sent. It doesn't matter what you respond. Me, I just say what. So this is not polite. You say hello. I should say hello. How are you? Who are you? So the answer doesn't matter what I answer. So in effect, they are abusing people trust because after this, here we cannot look at my interaction with her because it doesn't work. Me, when she say, "How are you doing today?" I say, "Fuck off, cockroach." So it's not like this. I should respond anything else, and then they will start a process of not looking like they have anything to sell. That's very important. They would pretend to be interested into what I'm doing, but they have never looked at my Facebook profile, because for them, I'm just one contact that their software provided or that they found but at random. Because apparently, if we have to believe her, who is a beginner, she doesn't even use software to do that. So she's doing it by hand and selection, choosing random contact, who just write something like online business on their profile. So she does it. I don't know if I believe her. Maybe maybe she's just a student who haven't even made it really industrial. I mean, industrial is just 50 contacts per day, at least to send a hello, 50 every day. And then, depending on the answers, you follow up with other messages. And the process can be quite long because they have to look as if they are interested into what you are doing. And at some point, when they ask you, what are you doing? Is it good? At some point, the person will feel like she will say, and what about you, Linda? What are you doing? And she will then have the message to say, oh, I'm just helping people exploit their result by providing them with high quality traffic. That's what I'm doing. And then the person will be, but me, I want a high quality traffic for sheep. Me, can you give me some? And she will say, of course, here is my site. So you can see the website here. She did supercharge your business with solo ads, unleash the power of targeted traffic. Yeah? Order premium traffic now. So she's selling traffic. But at first, we can see that she's a beginner, because even if I don't believe whatever she says, because I mean, she's training to be a computational liar, hypocrite. But when she say, I have no idea what you're talking about software, I say, wow, maybe she didn't go very far in the training, because uh, what is spam? Oh my God, don't you have a life, and etc. But at some point, maybe she will say, she said that yes, I am a student of Ishan. Ishan is an Indian name, so maybe it's one of them who is selling trainings to do that. And at some point in the training, he will talk about this software that his student can buy with his affiliate link, or maybe he has bought software and now he's selling it himself to his students. That should be better. That would be the best thing to do. So, and whatever she said. So we talked, but we didn't talk about business. Just say, you are such a cynic. That's she's I mean, a real professional would have ended this conversation with me, because she can see that I'm not open to anything. So, but maybe, so now, to finish this, because I will not teach you to do it. It's just what I'm doing is not the best, because even if the people are dumb, or if they are trying to sell you something, you don't have to take it like I do. Me, I just insult them and then it's finished. But in fact, whatever enters into your messenger, you could take it as an opportunity to promote your own stuff. Because me, for instance, I am also selling traffic. I have a product in affiliate marketing, or my own product, like that I can sell to anyone who wants to talk to me. So here I should have said hello. What she asked me what I'm doing. Up, I can send my link and talk only about buying whatever I offer. So you can do that. You don't have to say fuck off, cockroach. Even if you know what they're doing, you don't have to tell them that you know. You can just pretend. For the traffic, you can say, oh yes, I'm ready to buy traffic, but first, if you can help me and buy my stuff, and then I will buy your traffic. Then they buy your stuff and you don't buy their traffic, for instance. You can do what you want. Don't have to do like me. It was just to make a case study on Linda Karlsson, who is in fact, as you can see here, she's doing explainer videos. She's from Sweden, so explainer video. This is very basic manual work with the software, but to do explainer videos on Fiverr or things like this, it was very, very bad job. I mean, to do it for others. And then she said, I should do something else. So now I will do affiliate marketing and I will provide traffic. Of course, it's easy to provide traffic. You can do arbitrage. Once you know where to buy traffic, then you can sell it for more. So you make your offer. If someone buys your premium traffic, then you can just buy traffic yourself for this person. She will receive the traffic and you will keep the rest. What she paid you, especially if she sells to Western people and she buys from Indians. So very cheap traffic. And you call it premium traffic, but it's not, of course. This is all lies. Huh? So you can do that, as you can see, except for making explainer videos and now being king of traffic or queen of traffic and affiliate marketing. That's it. That's all she's doing. She has nothing. She's not a programmer. 10 years ago, she didn't know to use a computer. I mean, that's the level. Bye.